Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice math problem, which is 7 to the power of 5 plus 7 to the power of 4 plus 7 to the power of 3 plus 7 to the power of 2 plus 7 to the power of 1. Now let's provide a solution from here. We can express 7 to the power of 5 as 7 to the power of 4 plus 1, then plus 7 to the power of 4, then plus we can express 7 to the power of 3 as 7 to the power of 2 plus 1, then plus 7 to the power of 2, then plus 7 to the power of 1, which is 7. Now, 7 to the power of 4 plus 1, this is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which we can express as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, then we have 7 to the power of 4 times 7 to the power of 1 plus 7 to the power of 4, then plus 7 to the power of 2 plus 1. Applying this property, this becomes 7 to the power of 2 times 7 to the power of 1, then plus 7 to the power of 2, then plus 7. So 7 to the power of 4 is common here, so we can factor out 7 to the power of 4 into the parentheses. This is 7 plus 1, close the parentheses, then plus 7 to the power of 2 is common here, so we can factor out 7 to the power of 2 into the parentheses. This is 7 plus 1, close the parentheses, then plus 7. The next step is that we have 7 to the power of 4 times 7 plus 1, this is equal to 8, then plus 7 to the power of 2 times 7 plus 1, this is 8, then plus 7. The next step is that 7 to the power of 4, this is the same thing as 7 to the power of 2 plus 2, then times 8, then plus 7 to the power of 2 times 8, then plus 7. Now, we can express 7 to the power of 2 plus 2. This is the same thing as 7 to the power of 2 times 7 to the power of 2 times 8, then plus 7 to the power of 2 times 8, then plus 7. Now, 7 to the power of 2 is common here, so we can factor out 7 to the power of 2 into the parentheses. This is 7 to the power of 2, then plus, this is 1, but 8 is also common, so this multiplied by 8, then plus 7. So we have 7 squared, this is equal to 49, into the parentheses. This is 7 squared, which is 49, plus 1, then multiplied by 8, then plus 7. So this is 49. We can express 49 as 40 plus 9, multiplied by 49 is 40 plus 9, then plus 1, everything here, multiplied by 8, then plus 7. The next step is that we can let x to be equal to 40 plus 9. Now let's substitute x here so that we have x multiplied by x plus 1, close the parentheses, everything here, multiplied by 8, then plus 7. So this is x times x, this is x squared, then plus x times 1, this is x, multiplied by 8, then plus 7. So 8x squared times 8, this is 8x squared, then plus 8 times x, this is 8x, then plus 7. So let's substitute x so that we have 8 multiplied by 40 plus 9 raised to the power of 2, then plus 8 multiplied by 40 plus 9, then plus 7. Now, this is 8 multiplying by, now let's expand this. This is 40 raised to the power of 2, and this is equal to 1600 plus 9 squared, this is 81, then plus 720, close the parenthesis here, then plus 8 times 40, this is 320, then plus 8 times 9, this is 72, then plus 7. So this is 8 multiplying by, now this is 1600 plus 720, then plus 81. So this is 1. 8 plus 2, this is 10. Carry 1 here. This is 7 plus 7, this is 14. Carry 1, so we have 2401. Then times 8, so we have 2401 here. Times 8, so we have to multiply by 8 here. So this is 1 times 8, this is 8. 0 times 8, this is 0. 8 times 4, this is 32. 2 carry 3. 8 times 2, this is 16 plus 3, this is 19. So we have 19,208. Then plus, now we have 320. Then plus 72 plus 7, which is 79. So this means we have 19,208 plus 320, then plus 79. So we have 9 plus 8, this is equal to 17. 7 carry 1 here. Now we have 7 plus 2, this is 9 plus 1, this is 10. So 0 carry 1 here. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1, this is equal to 6. Then here we have 9 and 1. So this is 19,607. So we have the solution here, which is 19,607. So this is the solution to this math problem. So kindly follow the steps. Like this video. Please like this video. Follow the steps. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.